So while recording another video, I realized I'm not teaching the most important stuff there is. So I decided I'm gonna do a video on how to take out the trash. Because apparently they don't know how to do it in my house. Like I said, this video is just for you folks who need to learn how to take out the trash. Really, it's quite simple, whether it's a drawstring or a tie top bag. When the bag falls into the can or the bag becomes full, it's time to take out the trash. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Step number one, grab the drawstring or the tie strap, cinch it up, and then tie it. Look at that. Easy enough. Then we'll pick the bag up out of the trash can and then we'll carry it outside. We'll open the lid of the city provided trash can and throw it in. Now, while this is all in good fun, I do find it quite hilarious that I'm one of the only people in my house, my wife excluded, that knows how to do this simple project. If you have an adult or a child or teenager or whatever it may be that does not know how to do this quite simple task, just show them this video and comment in the comments below and I'll be glad to explain further if you need it. All joking aside, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.